Hi, this is Lucas.
And I'm Nelly.
Look who's here with us today. It's Princess Poppy from the upcoming new movie, Trolls! Are you curious at what she's hiding under her cool wig?
I am.
Alright, let's check it out. But first, let's pull off her ears. Boop! I've always wanted to do this. Alright, let's take off her wig. Here you go, Nelly. You're now the crowned new princess of the Trolls. Now that's much better. Now let's go back to our Play-Doh Surprise Egg and crack it open. Wow, look at all these surprises. Our first surprise is going to be this troll doll. And it's going to be perfect for my baby sister. She has one red eye, one green eye, and she has painted smears on her face and all over her body. And did you know that the very first troll was created in Denmark? She even has a blue nose. And look at her hair. Crazy! Alright, now let's get our second surprise. And it's going to be the Princess Poppy figure. She comes with the cupcake comb, so let's use it on her hair. But first, let's get her out.
She looks like me. Look, guys, you can turn her head. You can take her headband off. And you can comb her hair. Here's our Princess Poppy. And here's her comb. Look at her crazy hair.
Now let's get the third surprise. And it's Guy Diamond. He is a party troll. And also a naked troll. He has a glitter body, white hair. You can twist and turn his head. And he comes with very cool blue star-shaped glasses. And even this mirror comb.
Our next surprise is DJ Suki. She has orange hair, headphones, and she uses crickets and beetles to make music in Troll Village.
Now let's get another surprise, and it's a green troll, and it's also known as Branch. He's always afraid that the Bergens will come and eat them all, so he's always prepared like a scout. And he also comes with this cage, and is that a green pet fly?
So who's our next surprise? Ah, it's little Harper. So we got a doll and now we have a figure. And she comes with a leaf with paint on it and a paintbrush.
So she can paint herself like she successfully did right here. Now let's open some blind bags. This is series number 1, and you can collect like 12 trolls. So let's cut the blind bag open and see who we'll get. And here is our first troll. So here is the collector's guide. And here is our figure. Too bad they don't show their names. So here is our mysterious troll. Alright, Nelly, open your blind bag. What do we have inside, Nelly?
It's DJ Suki! So here comes her mini-me.
Now let's get another blind bag, and hopefully we can get a different troll. I wonder who we're going to get. Are you, Nelly?
Yeah.
And we got Fuzzbert. He's the troll that is entirely made out of hair except for his feet. Weird, huh? Okay, Nelly, your turn.
Hopefully I can get Princess Poppy. It's Princess Poppy! I can't believe it. So I got another mini-me.
Now I want to get Mini-Me Branch. Well, to find out, let's cut the bag open. Nope. I got a different troll. At least she's green. And it looks like she's a dreamer. Is that all? No, because we got 2 other sets of trolls.
We got Poppy's fashion set
And wild hair pack. So let's get those trolls out. Our first troll is Fuzzbert, and he kind of looks like Cousin It from the Addams Family. Our next troll is another guy Diamond, just he has a little purple hair. Next we have the Fashion Twins, and they make dresses and hairstyles for
Poppy. And she looks so pretty.
Our next 2 trolls is another Fuzzbert and Lil Harper again. And finally, we got Smidge. And she's a teeny tiny troll with a deep voice. And she loves weightlifting. Isn't that strange?
Now look what I can do. She's not tiny at all.
She's the tallest in the village. So here is our troll collection. And my favorite troll's gotta be Guy Diamond.
And mine is Princess Poppy.
And you can write down in my comments which one of these trolls are your favorite. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching and stay tuned when I open some more Play-Doh Surprise Eggs. Until then, bye! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi, it's a top one. It's up. It's up. It's up. It's up. It's up. So, wow, super dress fact. It's up. It's up. It's up, Robert. Boom.